Hi everybody, I'm back for a quick video. I still have my horrible voice from the flu, but this came this week and I finally wanted to dive in and see what all we got. This is the new card that they have that comes with each kit, letting you know a little bit about the monthly design. Simon and his girlfriend, or his friend Betty, are going to be making an appearance in this kit. So normally what I get is the planner kit and the classified kit. Those are the things that I pay for. But I've got an extra washi, and I think this stuff right here is the planner add-on kit. So why don't we start with this right here, the planner kit that I normally get. Oh, there's lots of stuff in here. I did open the washi so you could see it a little bit better, so it's a little bit easier. Oh wait, what? Two. Okay. Oh, planner kit add-on. So there's lots of cute stuff in here. So this is something new. They have these beautiful rose gold binder clips. You can see really pretty looking clips. And I like that they've been putting different types of clips and not just paper clips with the different kits. So that way you get a little bit of variety to use throughout the year. It's really a cool clip. So there's actually 3 of those, which is quite nice. So if you have multiple planners or multiple sections of your traveler's notebook or binder that you want to section off. It came with this cute little enamel pin charm of Simon. That's so cute. Very, very, very cute. And it comes with its own little lobster claw clasp, so you can attach it to a bookmark, to your traveler's notebook elastic, or, you know, add it to a set of charms. Here's the cute paper. It's a dot grid, and Simon's drawing a little heart. These are the Post-it notes. Every month you get a pad of paper and Post-it notes, and these are like you're looking down on a rose of the kind of like blushes, blush colors, pinks. And this is the washi that comes with the kit. It's basically the same design of the little Post-it. Very cute. I'll set that there. And then actually this is the one from the add-on. Where is it? It's like hearts. Kind of blues and oranges and greens. Very pretty. So we'll leave that there. Now in here, normally I get the passport or the mini dory, but last month and this month I decided to go with the personal size insert because I've been using this beautiful B6 Slim traveler's notebook and it fits in there quite nicely. So we'll see if I decide to stick with this size, or do I go back to passport since I got a new traveler's notebook. We'll see. But it's undated, so you can choose to use this however you want. Now the personal size and the standard in the B6 has a little calendar in the front. The mini or passport doesn't. So that one's totally undated. So you can, you know, if you don't use it. Oh, look. And this is something that's new, is that they've, on these blank pages in here, they've been putting a dot grid. It's really hard to see. It's really light, but if you are writing, it is, if you want to help keep things even, it's there for you. So all of the inserts, see there's like the washi tape. That's the washi tape from the add-on. Really pretty. Just smile and wait. Very cute. Okay, so that's the Dory, or the planner. And then here are stickers for the tabs. Let's see. Here's numbers and like the weekend for creating the planner portion. Here's like a couple of tab stickers and some decorative stuff. And then here is some of the wonderful paper. You get 2 of each because you see they're double-sided. So this is the first page. This is the second, a beautiful flower with a stripe. And then here's more of that rose with some polka dots. Beautiful paper, beautiful paper. Okay, so I'm not sure if this came with the kit or came with the planner add-on. It's another lovely pencil pouch. We got one of these last month. It's nice gray inside. The one we got last month I've been using is the beautiful map. I really like this. And they're a nice fabric, so they're going to last quite a while. So, you know, you can use it for the month, or maybe even, you know, like you can fit, that's a passport you can fit in there. Or you can use it to store pens, and then when February or you want to use it again, you can, you know, swap your pens. It's a really nice, and you can see it's got a, oh, I always do that sometimes. Anyways, so there's the zipper pouch. There we go. But let's see what's all in here. Now this is the planner add-on. This I normally don't get, so it came with this wonderful set of stamps. There's 2 Simons, 2 Bettys, Simon writing some words and some flowers. It's very cute. Oh wait, this is from the main planner kit. It always, oh no, we already got our, this is from the planner kit. It has the little die cuts and the little tabs and those little cute pieces. And then these are little puffy stickers, one of Betty, one of Simon, and a heart that you can use to make paper clips, little paperclip toppers. Here's another Post-it note. So this came in the planner add-on, little checklist with the hearts from the washi tape. That is cute. Oh wow, this is one of those Hope Pink Fluff. It's a pink and yellow yarn tassel. I think I'm gonna give this to my sister. I got one of those Webster Pages. I haven't sent her a Christmas yet. Traveler's Notebooks, the pink pattern one, and I made a bunch of inserts for her for the year. And this might go really nicely with that. So she might get a nice little tassel. That's cute. Because I won't be using that. Some more little planner die cuts, like there's a weekend banner and a bunch of little cute little Simon stuff. There's so much in these kits that it's easy not to use it all. Now this right here, this heart, is last year's February washi tape. The only reason I know is I still have a little bit of that roll left. So here are some of the little trading cards. There's the Simon and a little quote. And then here's some more decorative. And here are some numbers and days of the weeks. So you can do more planning. Some check boxes and icons and some really nice script stickers. Oh, and this is a, I guess like a dashboard. Go and love someone exactly as they are, and then watch how quickly they transform into the greatest, truest version of themselves. When one feels seen and appreciated in their own essence, one is instantly empowered. That's really beautiful. So that right here is all of, oh, and I ordered an extra roll of the flower washi tape. The washi tape is a little bit different than in previous years. It feels a little bit waxier, so it might be a little bit more durable, I think. So this was the planner kit and the planner add-on. Everything in here is the classified kit, and so I don't think I'm going to show this because it's supposed to be, I don't want to ruin the surprise for everybody. But some people have asked me in previous videos, how do I store the stuff that I don't use up in the month? What I do is I get these Artist Loft bags from Michaels, and this is the larger one, which is like $2.99. But they also make smaller ones that are about half the size for $1.99. And what I do is I put all of this stuff in here. So like this is the January stuff, and I printed out stuff that I've cut down, and I've got the washi and all of that in there. So I have like a little pouch that I can go back to. So what I can do with this stuff when I'm done filming this, you can see this is stuff I have left over from February of last year. So I can put all of my, like there's that beautiful pink and coral heart washi, and like I still have some of the pad paper left, and this is what I have left of the paper because I used it all, and then some of the stickers that I have left. So what I do is, like there's the Post-its, so if I want to mix and match some of the stuff, you know, I can, you know, see what works. And then this is my February pouch. So every time I get stuff from Coco Daisy, I can put it in one of these pouches and, you know, just keep adding to it each year. So I always have a wonderful selection of stuff to go to. So you can see I used almost all of that last kit. So let's see what I do with this kit this year. So I will link down Coco Daisy below. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment and I will get back with you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.